I have some absolutely amazing news. You remember that speeding ticket I got doing a 60 and a 30 on my Aprilia Tuono in the park system?
Oh, baby. Woo! Feels good, baby. See, they can't hear me. You know what I'm saying? I'm riding out here like a thief in the night. That's a copper up there. I think he may have caught me, though. Uh-oh.
Take your helmet off, please. What's the speed limit out here?
Excuse me?
What's the speed limit out here?
30 miles per hour.
Why do I have you on radar at 60 miles an hour coming down the park road back there? Listen, I already gave you insurance.
Oh.
Go. Slow down, drive safe.
Well, you know what? I beat that ticket, guys. I'm going to tell you how I beat the ticket. But also, I'm putting some of my bikes up here for sale. For those of you guys that are interested, stay tuned.
Let's go for a ride. Watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through. Dude, I was like 1 mile per hour away from getting arrested and put in jail, man. Dude, I was so lucky that day, but I'm even more lucky by getting that ticket reduced down to a non-traffic moving violation, man. Is that amazing or what? For doing 60 and a 30. And how, you want to know how I did it? I got me a Better Call Saul type of attorney, man. Absolutely amazing. The best $200 I ever spent. I didn't have to make one court appearance. He did everything. All I had to do was do the remedial online safety driver's course. It was like 4 hours and it cost $40. And then I sent him the certificate. He took it to court, did his magic, and hooked me up, man. Yeah, buddy. So I highly recommend that you get a traffic attorney, a good one. Do your research. I did my research, guys, before I got one. I think the $200 is worth it just not to have to go to court. Because I hate going to court and the hearings, sitting there for hours, and then you got to go to court the next time. I'm telling you, it's much better to hire a traffic attorney and not have to deal with it. And usually they can do a lot better job than you can if you go to court. Because the judges will usually give the attorneys a better break. But anyways, yes, I'm selling 3 of my bikes, or I don't know. I'm still up in the air on whether I want to sell this now, this Aprilia Tuono, because this bike is amazing, guys. It's got the that V4 engine is amazing and unique, man. Absolutely, you don't see the V4 on too many bikes out there, man. And this, it sounds like a MotoGP bike.
Oh, man!
It's amazing. But it only has, I think I've got like 1,600 miles or something like that on there. It's still under warranty, barring mirrors that are absolutely amazing, believe it or not. I have a link to these mirrors in the description and comment section of this video. Also, if you want to get this phone mount, which is amazing as well. Also, my camera mount too, which is amazing right there. Like I said, links to most of my gear and all of my mods and stuff, I usually put in the description and comment section of my videos, or my website is CycleCruza.com. CBR 1000 WR, I've been going back and forth on selling this bike for years, man, because it's an amazing bike. But I just want to experience some new bikes, you know, and this only has 7,500 miles on it. I did have a buyer that came all the way out from Colorado to buy this bike with cash in hand, but he came on a weekend and I couldn't handle business that weekend. I told him to wait till Monday morning. He came in on a Saturday and he couldn't wait till Monday morning to do business, and then he got pissed off and he left. This bike is about as clean as you can get, guys. You know, I've never took this to the track. It's never been down. I fully converted to Repsol here. As you can see, those are OEM Repsol wheels. Absolutely amazing. I only put full synthetic oil in there. I only put 93 Shell gas. It still rides like brand new, man. So I'll be selling that for $8,000. And the WR250R, I know I said I wouldn't sell it, man, but it's an amazing bike, you know, for what it is, but I don't get to ride that much. I don't ride as much as I would like to, and that bike doesn't get ridden that much, you know. I'm usually on this YZ. This hooligan YZ, man. But this bike, I put over $6,000 in mods in this bike. It's got the custom Go Race suspension, which is like $1,300 mod, you know, front and back. All new internals in the suspension. It's absolutely amazing. I've got, took all the emission stuff off. I've got the Moose skid plate. I got custom DID STX wheels, as you can see there, with the gold nipples there. And I have custom powder coated OEM hubs on there. And I've got custom controls, heated grips with custom controls built in to the bar pad, as you can see there, voltmeter. I've got a lithium ion battery. I've got the comfort seat, a fender eliminator kit, 47 tooth rear sprocket with gold chain. I also have a custom airbox door that I made. 2 custom maps that were done on a dyno and can be switched on the fly on the bar pad. Black OEM fairings, the Zeta handguards with integrated turn signals, LED custom headlight with LED lights. I have the OEM headlight I can give you too, if you want to have that. It's got the radiator guard on there. The list goes on and on and on. It's like 2 pages. You guys know I did videos on all the mods. It's like $6,000 in mods, and I'm selling it for $6,000, man. So whoever gets it is going to have the best WR250R out there, guys. And the sickest looking too, man. So hit me up if you're interested. I'm trying to get my garage back here, guys. Trying to wheel it down to 2 bikes, the YZ, and there's the next bike I want to get. I told you guys, a 2020 Yamaha R1 I may or may not get. I don't know. It's high up on my list. I just did a video on it. Go check that video out in the description and comment section of this video that talks about the new R1 and R1M. The new changes they made and all. Also, the Kawasaki H2 is high up on the list. I know I've talked crap about that bike in the past because it's so ugly, but it's so ugly it's badass. And that's a collector's bike though. They hold their value really well. It's got that unique supercharger sound to it. The black mirror self-healing paint. It's just a really unique, sick bike that I need to experience. I want to experience. So I don't know if I'm going that route yet, but we'll see. 2020 KTM 1290 Super Duke R. I'm thinking about. I'm going to see how awesome that is. I'm waiting for that to come out. Also, the 2019 or 2020 Harley Davidson Breakout 114. I think I should try Harley Davidson for this channel, man. Because like I said, my channel is about everything. All in one motorcycle channel. I want to cover everything. I love all the motorcycles out there. I told you guys. But I think I should try a Harley, you know, and let you guys know how it works out for me. Just like I did the Ducati and the Aprilia. You know what I'm saying? It's all about the experience, guys. You know what I'm saying? You never know how long you can ride for. So you really have to enjoy all the different bikes and the experience, man. That's what I say. Also, if you can think of any other bikes, I know some of you guys mentioned that new 2020 Triumph Rocket 3 that's out with that badass 2100cc triple cylinder engine. It's got them great, but it looks ugly to me though, man. Even though it has 163 foot-pounds of torque, which is amazing, but it's also like 700 pounds wet, man. And it's got the big donut front wheel and the one thing about Triumphs, I hate their headlights, the 2 round headlights. They always like to do on their bikes. Go on my community tab page and vote on there for which bike you think I should get. And maybe you'll sway me in the right direction. But anyways, guys, for those of you guys that want to get a, the stand-up trailer that I have, I did a review in the past. I'm getting ready to do a long-term review on it. Absolutely amazing. Takes up very little space. You could travel across the country with your bike on this. Very easy to tow your bike. Very easy to load. You can self-load your bike yourself. Amazing. I have a link to get this in the description and comment section of this video. And no, I'm not selling it. I'm just letting you know about it. But for those of you guys that want to get my gear, like my airbag vest that keeps me safe out on the streets, my ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet with mirror shield, leather jackets, camo pants, boots, gloves, cameras, all my stuff. I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Gear. Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and check out my other channel, Breakout Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Breakout Moto.